Attorney Jonathon Nelson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
I respect and appreciate all law enforcement, but in a time where they suspect you of a crime, they're not your friends in that situation. Obviously, you want to be honest and fair with them, but if you've done something, you got to be very careful what you say, because that whole, oh, they didn't read me my Miranda rights, i.e. what you see in the movies, you have the right to remain silent, that doesn't come into effect until you've actually been placed under arrest. So if an officer says, hey, what's going on with this or that, and you answer them, those statements can and possibly will be used against you down the road in a criminal case. I'm not saying you, again, I have the utmost respect for law enforcement, so please treat them with that respect. However, if you find yourself at the incident of a crime or in an investigation, it's always helpful to reach out to an attorney that can walk you through your rights and can kind of help you through that situation, because a misdemeanor may only be a slap on the wrist, but you could be facing a felony, which is years in prison and even worse. If you find yourself, an officer's asking you one question or two questions, you've got to be the judge of that. But again, I'll reiterate, people often think, well, I told the officer this, but I wasn't given my Miranda rights. And Miranda rights don't set in until you're arrested. So it's really important to know, if he's asking you about this crime and you've been involved in it or suspected of it, what you're saying will be used against you. So if you find it going beyond a, where were you, in basic questions, I would always recommend saying, officer, I appreciate you asking this. I'm going to ask for a lawyer, and I'm not going to talk to you at any further point.